In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable image zoom on the product page in Shopify Sense theme. If you're using the Sense theme and want a cleaner product gallery without hover zoom or click to expand interactions, I'll show you a quick, reversible way to control that using a tiny CSS update. This approach is safe, easy to undo, and won't interfere with your image gallery or thumbnails. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, go to Online Store, then Themes. On your current theme, click Actions and choose Edit Code. This opens the code editor where your theme files live. We're going to add a small style rule that hides the zoom controls on product media. In the editor, look for your theme's main product CSS file. In many versions of Sense, you'll find it under assets with a name like component main product.css. If your setup is a little different, open the CSS file that controls product styles, or use a custom CSS file that your theme already loads. Once you've got the right style sheet open, scroll to the very bottom and paste in the following. Hide zoom button, toggle, modal opener on product images. Bot product media icon. A product media toggle. Display. None. Important. This snippet hides the zoom icon and prevents the click to zoom or modal zoom from being triggered. It's intentionally minimal, so it won't remove your gallery images, thumbnails, or navigation arrows, just the zoom behavior. Click Save in the top right. Now preview a product page. You should no longer see the zoom icon on desktop, and clicking the image shouldn't open a modal. If your theme had hover to zoom enabled, that visual cue should be gone too. If you don't see changes immediately, refresh your browser or confirm you're previewing the theme you just edited. One of the nice things about this method is how easy it is to reverse. To re-enable zoom, go back to the same CSS file, remove the snippet you added, and save. Your zoom icon and click to expand behavior will return without any further setup. That's all there is to it. With a quick CSS tweak, you can disable or re-enable image zoom in the Sense theme whenever you need, keeping your product gallery focused on the browsing experience you want customers to have.